Today we're going to create an OCR vision program. DataLogic has two OCR algorithms, a basic and an advanced. Today we're going to go over the basic. As you can see, I've already went ahead and uploaded the image that we'll be working on today. So let's start at the beginning. The OCR tool is located under the Readers tab. Click on OCR, drag and drop onto Image and Task. Let's change the name to OCR. You can hit enter, and after we hit enter, as you can see, it changes over here on the left hand side as well. Region of interest. Let's make this bigger, because if this match string is in this region, I want it to pass and get a good read and a good output. So you can see we have options to click on different types of characters we want to look at, but today we'll just concentrate on looking for the dark characters. Segment. We need to manually type in the string LOT2AW7. After we've done that, let's hit train. This will send the camera verification that what it's seeing matches the string of letters and numbers that we typed in. We have other options over here. Also, we can go over to help with our pass-fail threshold. We want to use the trained font information. It's when we do that, we get actual numbers for the variable split and discard undersize. Also, as you can see, you can click on each individual letter and number, and when you do this, you're going to get the output of the actual numbers down here in the character box. Font, this is what the letters and numbers look like to the camera, also verified by the character or number that we typed in for the match string. We want to click on use golden character. By doing this, it will set the threshold for a perfect score, a perfect pass for what the camera sees as the letters and the numbers in this box. Pass fail, when it's this is passing, it's going to get an output in green. This is the output read. You can go down here and manually change the threshold scores that you want to be able to get a good read or a bad read. We can type in the string again for verification. Also, when it's a pass, you'll get green boxes around each letter or number, signifying that it's a good read and a good output. After we've completed the OCR tool, let's put in some display outputs for bad and good displays. We're going to click on pass fail, drag and drop to OCR, and we're going to click on green red spot and put it under both pass and fail. For the pass fail, we want to set this up. If a good read, then we will get a green output. We want to have all the tools, all characters must pass to get a good output. And down here we have a run count. This ran once, passed once, failed 0 times. For display, we want to select all. Since this is under pass, we want to change this to green spot. Good output. Setup, enable green spot. Enable green spot. For fail, This will be the bad output. We want this to be red spot. Bad output. Setup. Enable red spot. Display. Enable red spot. So now that we've got our display output set up, let's go click on display mode. This is what it would look like out on the production floor on a display module. You can see our region of interest. Our character outputs are passing because there are green boxes around each of them. These are previous images. These are total run count, passes, and fails. We also get a percentage. Over here on the left side, we have display labels of everything that has been put into this OCR tool. We have the values and what we're seeing on the control. And down here we have our green outputs. And when we get a bad read, they will turn red. I can manually trigger it. So now that we have a fail, the last 4 characters failed. So as you can see, our outputs were red. And we can watch this run. Let's click on continuous trigger mode. This is what it would look like out on a production floor running full speed. You can see our output colors changing, and also down here at the bottom, our total number of counts, passes, and fails are changing. Our percentages are not changing that much because I have 3 passes and 1 fail. But this is a good indication of what an OCR tool would look like running full speed out on your production floor.